Okay, so it's about 2 in the morning. Just getting the last pieces back together after replacing the Digitizer, and I'm getting pretty excited. I have no idea if this is going to work or not. I really hope it does. It'll be somewhat of a miracle if it does. It sounds kind of nasty. Hope that's clean, straightforward. Okay, there's the new screen Digitizer. Fuck. That's not good. I thought that might have been... Oh boy. Well, obviously it looks like I have not connected up some of the pins, I guess, on the LCD screen. Just didn't come out right. But then what I was afraid of, and I kind of saw this earlier, was that the LCD may actually be cracked. And actually, the pins themselves may not be the problem, but the damaged LCD screen. It's a very thin screen. It came separated from the light and the diffuser behind it. Yeah, this is not looking good at all, is it? Well, $40. Amazon.com. They sell LCD screens, so I will definitely be ordering one of those here and getting a second chance at this. I imagine it's going to be a lot easier the second time after going through the process. Maybe I'll get some more pictures that time that'll help explain it, so we don't end up with crap like this. But oh well. It was definitely fun trying.